In this example, I need to multiply negative 3x squared with the quantity negative 6x cubed plus x squared minus 7. So I'm going to do this using the distributive property. And this one, I'm going to write an extra step I normally don't write in. But I'm going to have negative 3x squared times negative 6x cubed. I'm going to add to that my negative 3x squared times the second term in my second polynomial, which is x squared. And then I'm going to add, when I multiply my negative 3x squared to the last term of negative 7, so I got negative 3, terrible handwriting, negative 3x squared times negative 7. So now all I have to do is simplify. So when I multiply these two together here, I'm going to multiply the coefficients. So negative 3 times negative 6 is positive 18. And then I'm multiplying x squared times x cubed. When you multiply like bases, you add the exponents. So I'll have x to the 2 plus 3. I'll simplify that at the next step. Now in this term here, I'm going to have negative 3. Remember, there's an invisible 1 in front of that x squared, so it's just going to be negative 3. Then x squared times x squared is going to be x raised to the add exponents 2 plus 2. Last term, negative 3 times negative 7 is positive 21. And I have an x squared, and there's no x's there, so it's just going to be x squared. So my final answer is going to be 18x to the 2 plus 3, so it's x to the 5th, minus 3x to the 2 plus 2 is 4, so it's x to the 4th, plus 21x squared. These are unlike terms. I can't combine them, so that is my answer. What I wanted to remind you is normally we go from this step straight down to this step, but I wanted to break it down to explain all the details to you.